In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install Power Apps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if you're unable to install this Power Apps app from Microsoft Corporation, then just follow the steps. Now in the first method, just go back and look for Play Store app on your phone. And then here, make sure you are logged in with your Gmail. However, if you're already logged in but unable, then tap on profile icon here and go down to settings. From settings, look for Power Preferences option and here tap on network preferences. From network preferences, look for app download preference. Change this from over Wi-Fi only to over any network and okay. Then make sure you are not using any VPN on your smartphone or any security app that you recently installed before you can try and install your app. However, if you're still facing the same challenge, then most likely the problem is with Play Store. To fix Play Store, go to settings on your phone. And from settings, look for this option, apps. Under apps, look for manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, just search for Play Store and hit is, and then go to force stop and okay. Then go to clear data and clear cache and final okay. Now you need to restart your smartphone. And now if you go to your Play Store and open it, activate search and now search for your app. I'll search for Power Apps and run. Now here, let's try and see if I'll be able to install the app. As you can see, I'm now able to download and install Power Apps from Google Play Store. However, at this point, if you still face the same challenge, then check and then see if you have any issue with storage or space and install apps that you no longer need or delete files that you are no longer using to create more space for your Power Apps. So let me know which of this was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.